Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how to start your cloud career. So in this video, I am going to talk about the 8 major steps. So if you will follow the 8 steps, then you can build your cloud career. So let me explain one by one. So in first step number 1, so at least you should have some basic networking knowledge or basic understanding of networking, how it is working, how the communication is happening. So at least you should start with the TCP, IP, UDP and HTTPS and all this protocol, how the communication is being established. So then now I am going to talk about step number 2. So in step number 2, some basic understanding of access management. So in access management, like how we are able to access any device or any server. So try to understand a little bit about the basic understanding of access management. So then now I am going to talk about the step number 3. So in step number 3, so at least you should have some understanding of operating system, whether Linux or Windows, like any operating system would be fine, but I would suggest to start with Linux operating system. It would be better for the cloud career. So now the next point and next steps I am going to talk about the server and VM, like how the server configuration and what is server, what is the virtualization machine, and what is the configuration. All this basic point you try to explore more, so then you can start with your cloud career. So then the next point, like the Docker container based, how container is working, what is Docker, how it is working, how you can able to create a Docker file, and how to deploy a container based application. All these point you try to understand and start learning. So then point number 6, I mean, in point number 6, one programming language is very much important to start with your cloud career. If you have not started any programming language, so it would be better to start with Python. So now let me talk about the point number 7. So point number 7, like basic script writing. So at least you should have some basic script writing. So then it would be very much helpful for your cloud career. So then you start learning with the script writing. So the last one, the step number 8, so you start with your fundamental cloud certification. So start learning and how the cloud product and service cloud provider is providing. So in Google Cloud you can start with Google Cloud digital leader and associate cloud engineer. And if you are going to start with Azure or AWS, so in Azure you can start with AZ900, and AWS you can start with the cloud partitioner. So these are the fundamental cloud certification. So you can start learning, and like you can also attend the exam. So it would be much better to start your cloud career. So whatever the 8 points today I explained, so follow these are the 8 point is very important to start with your cloud career. So I hope if you will follow my steps, so definitely you can able to start your cloud career. So good luck. You can start your cloud career and follow the process. I hope this useful video will be helpful to start your cloud career. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more technical video like this. Thank you, and stay tuned for my updated video.